Gagandeep sir is a law of attraction coach, manifestation coach, and two-time TED. He has given the TEDx and Josh Talk. And the best thing is, I have seen कि वो जब भी कुछ बताते हैं, उनके पैटर्न्स इतने तरीकेदार होते हैं, इतने इंटरेस्टिंग होते हैं. I felt कि अगर न्यू ईयर स्टार्ट हो ही रहा है तो why don't we take it to let's learn something from the sir and start applying it कि हमारा भी जो next year है वो amazing हो पाए. So welcome sir. Thank
Thank
you for
you.
accepting.
Thank you so much for a brief introduction. Thank you so much. It was
Yes.
beautiful.
तो
Yeah.
परफेक्ट. तो सर लाइक लेट्स स्टार्ट कि अभी ना लोगों को पता है कि मैनिफेस्ट होता क्या है बट आई
Hmm.
डोंट थिंक कि वो एग्जैक्ट समझ पाते हैं. वो बहुत सारे मिथ में
Hmm.
चलते हैं. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट द बेसिक कि आप बताओ कि व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज मैनिफेस्टेशन, लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन, क्या कनेक्शन है दोनों का.
Okay, look, manifestation has been like, ages old, way of living, right? And we've been doing it for so many years because आप देखोगे कि 150 years back जो भी कुछ develop हुआ, invent हुआ, तो that was pure manifestation, right? For example, Wright brothers, ना, जो, who, in, who invented aeroplanes, right? So today we travel effortlessly, right? We're more worried about the flight cost rather than which carrier, कैसा air Boeing कौन सा है, Airbus कौन सा है. We're not bothered about it, right? So we're living somebody else's manifestation because उन्होंने saw 150 years back. I still recall reading that phrase that one of the brothers doubted. He said कि यार ये कैसे बनेगा? We have tried so much time. The youngest one, he said, you don't know that. I already see that it's happening. I already see our plane flying, right? So
राइट.
manifestation has been ancient way of living. It is just that आपके thoughts, आपकी life डेवलप करते हैं. आप अपनी लाइफ में उस हिसाब से आप एक्शंस लेते हैं. आपके कर्मा वैसे होते हैं because it's all driven by a thought. Today, a person wants to be, the greatest, actor. A person also wishes to be the, world-renowned gangster, right? They're all manifesting it
राइट.
because they all have a small dream, and we have, for example, सबने शाहरुख खान को देखा है, right? He preaches manifestation, right? From where he's coming. So law of attraction manifestation, simple words में, it's like define your own destiny by your thoughts, by your actions, and like attracts like. If you want to become a millionaire, you might become a millionaire. But if you don't want to or you don't aim to be a millionaire, you will not be. Very simple,
राइट. राइट.
right?
राइट.
And इसी वजह से बहुत सारे लोग इस रैट रेस में फंसे हुए हैं. बहुत सारे लोग एक कंफर्ट जोन में फंसे हुए हैं. And yes, it is a science, it works, but it is simple but not easy, because सबको लगता है कि सिर्फ टेक्निक्स करने से हाँ, maybe you'll get short term results, but manifestation, देखो, ideally in a simple but complex way, if I look at it, कि हम ह्यूमन लाइफ में अपना एक बेस्ट वर्जन बनने के लिए आए हैं, राइट?
करेक्ट.
है ना? So our soul has a purpose. Our soul has, lot of things that we come here, we experience it here, and the manifestation का main objective ये है कि you become a better person.
राइट.
चाहे आप जो भी acquire करना चाहते हो, if you want to be a millionaire, you have to act like a millionaire, think like a millionaire, right? You can't be a millionaire with a mindset of somebody who wants to save 2 rupees, who don't want to spend enough money, because you can't be if you are not a risk taker. तो summarize क्या है? Manifestation, law of attraction, it is amazing. It always works. It is right now working for you, for me, for people who are watching it. डिपेंड करता है हम मैनिफेस्ट करना क्या चाह रहे हैं, हमारे रेपिटेटिव थॉट्स क्या हैं. सो लाइक
या.
दैट्स लाइक.
वाओ वाओ. दिस इज समथिंग आई वांट टू आस्क. जैसे हम आपने कहा कि हमारे लिए काम कर रहा है, जो सुन रहे हैं उनके लिए काम कर रहा है. बट आई हैव सीन के लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं हमारे तो काम करता ही नहीं, हमने हर ट्रिक ट्राई कर ली बट इट्स नॉट वर्किंग फॉर अस. तो व्हाट वुड यू से कि क्यों उनके लिए उनके अकॉर्डिंग काम नहीं कर पा रहा है.
देखो, फर्स्ट इज, जैसे आपने बोला हम हमारे लिए ट्रिक काम नहीं करी. इट्स नॉट ट्रिक, इट इज, ये लाइफस्टाइल है एक. आप लाइफस्टाइल अडेप्ट करोगे तो आप इसको नोटिस कर पाओगे, राइट? अगर कोई ट्राई करना चाहता है, राइट, कि मैं ट्राई करके देखता हूँ मैनिफेस्टेशन, तो 50-50 चांस है, बिकॉज आप ट्राई कर रहे हो. वेरी सिंपल,
हाँ.
है ना?
राइट.
Because we are habitual of our, of our subconscious pattern. राइट। अगर हम ट्राई करना चाहते हैं तो अगर आप ट्राई करने में घबरा रहे हो, आप डर रहे हो या ना हो, द रिजल्ट विल वेरी, राइट। वेरी सिंपल। आप हम लोग कितनी बार कॉफी शॉप में जाते हैं, राइट, बट 99% ऑफ द केसेस आवर आर ऑर्डर्स आर सेम,
हाँ,
राइट,
करेक्ट।
है ना। बिकॉज समटाइम्स वी गो टू अ बिग 5 स्टार एंड वी से यार एक्सपेरिमेंट क्यों करना है, लेट्स हैव अ कैपुचिनो, राइट। बट मे
राइट।
बी दे आर सर्विंग अ बेटर ब्लैक कॉफी और कैमोमाइल टी। आई यूज्ड टू हैव दैट थॉट। मेरा पैटर्न ऐसा था बिकॉज आई वाज 10 years बैक। तो लाइक अगर मेरे को कैमोमाइल टी पीनी है तो मैं 15 रुपए की डिप लगा के पी सकता हूँ ना। वाई डू आई पे 250 रुपीज टू देम, राइट, है ना। बट दैट्स द माइंडसेट चेंज आई हैड टू मेक बिकॉज when you go there, you observe, you are surrounded with similar energy and people. बट जो आप कह रहे हो कि लोगों के लिए काम क्यों नहीं करता, एट टाइम्स बिकॉज हमें अपने सबकॉन्शियस माइंड के पैटर्न्स नहीं पता, हमें डीप रूटेड बिलीफ सिस्टम नहीं पता,
राइट।
राइट। क्योंकि कोई फॉर एग्जाम्पल मनी अर्न करना चाहता है, उनकी फैमिली में उन्होंने बचपन से सुना है कि पैसे पेड़ पे नहीं उगते, ज्यादा पैसा होने से घर में कलेश होते हैं,
हाँ,
राइट। और किसी की लव लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम है तो बोलेंगे, पीपल कम एंड से सर मेरे को लव लाइफ ठीक करनी है, मेरे को ट्रस्ट इश्यूज है। तो पहला लव लाइफ की प्रॉब्लम नहीं, आपकी ट्रस्ट इश्यूज की, वो आपका डीप रूटेड बिलीफ है,
राइट।
राइट।
राइट। राइट।
सो देर आर सो मेनी डीप रूटेड बिलीव्स, तो हमें उनको फिक्स करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज जस्ट लाइक आपने अगर कैक्टस का पौधा लगाया उस पर रोज तो निकलेगा नहीं,
करेक्ट।
right? So what you sow, whatever seed you're giving, you're going to get the same reap. You're going to see the benefits out of it. So
वाओ।
techniques काम करेंगी, but yes, हमें हार्ड वर्क तो करना पड़ेगा on ourselves.
वाओ। वाओ। दैट मीन्स कि टेक्निक्स आर जस्ट अ स्मॉल पार्ट ऑफ होल प्रोसेस।
Absolutely, absolutely. Right. For example, I'll tell you. Okay, मैंने सीड्स खाता हूँ. Okay, mix of seeds. Okay, तो ये सीड्स क्या है? ये सप्लीमेंट्स है. This boosts my immunity and energy system. Right. तो टेक्निक्स इन सीड्स की तरह है, वो बूस्ट कर सकते हैं, बट दैट डज नॉट मीन कि मैं अपना 3 टाइम का न्यूट्रिशियस खाना नहीं खाऊंगा,
राइट। वाओ।
राइट। तो
वाओ।
अगर
ये
मुझे अपने 3 टाइम्स का न्यूट्रिशियस, मैं 3 टाइम सिर्फ जंक फूड खा रहा हूँ और दिन में सिर्फ 2 बार ये खा रहा हूँ, चाहे 369 कर रहा हूँ या 5 into 55 कर रहा हूँ, सो यू नो द रिजल्ट क्या आएंगे? विल माई हेल्थ इंप्रूव? नो।
वाओ।
सिमिलरली आप टेक्निक्स करते रहोगे बट आप अपने ऊपर सेल्फ इंप्रूवमेंट नहीं करोगे, आप सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर नहीं करोगे, तो नो यूज ऑफ हैविंग दीज सीड्स देन।
राइट। Wow, wow. This is amazing. But then one question came in my mind is कि इन पूरे प्रोसेस में कि अगर मैनिफेस्टेशन को हमें हाई करना है, बढ़ाना है, स्पीड अप करना है, तो उसमें हीलिंग का क्या रोल आएगा? लाइक व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ हीलिंग इन मैनिफेस्टेशन?
Look, healing is of course it's an ongoing thing, right? Because हम ह्यूमन हैं, हम रोज रोज नई चीजें एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं, हमारे आसपास देखते हैं, हम जो भी कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं, राइट, दैट इज लीडिंग टू अ, फॉर एग्जांपल आजकल सोशल मीडिया पे जैसे द गुकेश थिंग हैज हैपेंड,
Yeah.
right, the world chess champion,
Yeah.
right? I also posted around it because he manifested his, 7 years back he said that I want to be the youngest world champion. He is, वो हम कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं, अच्छी बात है। अभी थोड़े दिन पहले दैट बैंगलोर टेकी गाय who committed suicide, right?
I'm
So
not.
no, he
Uh-huh.
committed suicide because of unfavorable laws. So what is happening? We consume it and we start doubting everything around us.
Right.
So the consumption of what we are consuming, in our day-to-day basis is very, very important. So believe
Right.
me, it's been like 2017 when I got aware. मेरे घर में न्यूज़पेपर बंद हो गया था.
Mm.
Okay, nobody, and in fact, news is also limited in my house because that's only maybe 10 minutes in the starting of the day before I wake up. My father watches it, or in the evening when I'm doing my session, he watches it. But वो जो 8-8 घंटे लोगों के घर में न्यूज़ चलती है, बिग बॉस चलता है, it's not recommended because you are not vibrating higher.
Wow. Right. मतलब कहीं ना कहीं अगर हमको अपना मैनिफेस्टेशन का जर्नी स्टार्ट करना है या
Hmm.
फिर प्रॉपर भी करते रहना है, तो हमें लाइफस्टाइल चेंजेस करने होंगे।
Yes, absolutely, absolutely.
एंड आई
You know,
थिंक
yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
आई थिंक दैट इज मिसिंग इन इंस्टाग्राम जर्नी कि वो हमको बस टेक्निक्स बता रहे हैं, आप ये कर लो, ये कर लो, एंड पीपल आर सेइंग कि वो तो काम ही नहीं कर रहे हैं।
Absolutely, आप देखो ना, मतलब आप, I also have courses, right? But I talk about कि आप, it's a lifestyle change. Don't expect, for example, I have a 21-day manifestation course, right? So I tell people कि this is not a one time job, right? You have 1 year access to, for example, my courses. अब हर दूसरे महीने वो 21 days का कोर्स करो, आपके पास एक्सेस है, right? But believe me, 95% of people just do it for once, right? Because उनको लगता है 21 days में सब चेंज हो जाएगा, and I give this very clearly articulated, and you look at it ना, it's a starting point of something,
Right.
right? आप जिम जाना शुरू करते हो तो आपको 21 days में रिजल्ट नहीं मिलेगा, राइट? आपको 3 months में भी नहीं मिलेगा, डिपेंड करता है आपका डीएनए क्या है, आपका बॉडी का मसल काउंट क्या है, आपकी स्ट्रेंथ क्या है, बेसिस दैट आपको रिजल्ट मिलेगा।
Wow.
सिमिलरली मैनिफेस्टेशन में भी आपको रिजल्ट तब मिलेगा जब आपका सबकॉन्शियस माइंड कितना फ्रेजाइल है, कितना फ्लेक्सिबल है, आप उसको कितना ट्रेन कर रहे हो, राइट? एंड दैट्स वेयर द मैनिफेस्टेशन कैन हैपन क्विकली।
Wow. Wow. And sir, can you like share like what's exactly lifestyle you follow for manifesting the better in your life?
अभी मेरा थोड़ा हिला हुआ है, बट इन जनरली ऑफ कोर्स बेटर लाइफस्टाइल इज ऑलवेज have a I don't say go to sleep at 10 p.m., right? Because I also don't recommend 3 a.m. rituals, because I see a lot of people right nowadays, right? अगर जिसके पास पॉसिबल है तो वो करे ब्रह्म मुहूर्त रिचुअल, इज वेरी इफेक्टिव। बट हमारी लाइफस्टाइल आजकल ऐसी है, वर्क स्टाइल ऐसा है, तो इट शुड नॉट बी अ पेन कि आप 11 बजे उठ के 3 बजे अपने आप को घसीट रहे हो, तो आप कर पा रहे हो नहीं कर पा रहे हो। बट इन अ जनरल वे, as to change that lifestyle, one is that always start your day with gratitude. Very simple, you know.
Right.
Having another day of life is first of all the most grateful thing. अगर हमने वो realize कर लिया, तो we will see that how many great changes we make during the day. Start your day with gratitude, set intentions what kind of day you want, because आप इंटेंशन सेट ही नहीं करोगे, इट इज लाइक आप गूगल मैप्स पे हो और आपने डेस्टिनेशन नहीं डाली है, राइट?
Oh,
राइट?
right, right.
So you set intention for day, that today I want to not take stress, today I want to be in the present moment, today I want to give some time to myself. That's what weekends are for, right? But weekends लोगों के लिए इतने stressful हो गए हैं, because सैटरडे इवनिंग को ही लोगों को मंडे मॉर्निंग का स्ट्रेस शुरू हो जाता है,
Hmm.
राइट?
Right.
So set intentions for the day, चाहे वर्क डे है चाहे आप वीकेंड है। Number 3 which I say is, during the day at least 30 minutes consume or read something which is inspiring you. Okay,
Right.
so podcasts हैं, I read books every day, 15 minutes, not more than that,
Wow.
right? Or maybe just 1 hour keep your phone away, digital detox रोज करो, because वो सबसे important है। And during the night just do 5 to 10 minutes of breathing exercises. ओके, बिकॉज
Wow.
देखो, नॉट जेंडर स्पेसिफिक बट जनरली आप सोने से पहले एवरी एवरी लेडी वुड लाइक टू डू अ स्किन रूटीन, राइट? स्किन केयर
Hmm.
रूटीन, आप अपना बेड भी झाड़ते हैं, हम भी झाड़ते हैं, राइट? वाई? सो दैट आवर स्किन एंड आवर बॉडी इज इज टेकन केयर
Right.
ऑफ, है ना? आपकी टीवी, आपके बेड के ऊपर बुक्स पड़ी हैं या कप पड़ा है तो आप सोगे नहीं ना, आप साफ करके सोगे, सो दैट आपकी स्लीप डिस्टर्ब ना हो। So if you're going to sleep, your subconscious mind also needs a cleanse, right? And with just 5 to 7 minutes of breathing exercise, you can cleanse your subconscious mind, have great sleep, and then start your day with gratitude again. ये सबसे simplified और सबसे powerful routine है, अगर हम
तो
follow कर सकते हैं।
या आई थिंक जो हमारे लिसनर्स हैं वो स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं करना, क्योंकि ना बाकी ऐसा होता है कि यू हैव टू सिट, यू हैव टू राइड, यू हैव टू डू। तो अगर आपको टाइम नहीं मिल पा रहा है वो करने का, स्टार्ट विथ 5 मिनट्स मॉर्निंग में, 5 मिनट्स नाइट में।
Absolutely,
तो
absolutely.
इट्स आई थिंक द सिंपलेस्ट थिंग आई हैव एवर हर्ड अभी तक। तो क्या यू कैन स्टार्ट डूइंग उठने से, इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग फोन या फिर ये सब देखने के क्या चल रहा है, किसका मैसेज है,
Hmm.
इसके पहले हैव सम गलत इंटेंशन सेट कर लो कि
Yeah, yeah.
क्या ऐसा फ्लो क्या
If
चाहिए।
somebody
अब
अब अगर कोई सुबह उठ के वार्म वाटर ल्यूकवार्म पी रहे हो आप, तो होल्ड दैट वाटर, bless that water, be grateful, and as you sip that every sip of that water, it is going to nourish you, you know
वाओ।
most simplest है ये। मतलब आप कॉफी भी पी रहे हो, चाय भी पी रहे हो, just be in silence, bless that cup of coffee, tea or warm water, consume it, because look at it, water is essential element। आप जितना उसको bless करके पियोगे, it will change everything inside you, your body, your pineal gland, your your chakras, everything gets sorted. So start with this routine basically.
Yeah, it's very simple to start. I think if our audience is interested and they want to start a good year, start doing it now,
Hmm.
and you will see the changes the year later.
Doesn't matter if you are 20, 30, 40. It is December, it is mid of the year. Just
Hmm.
start whenever you can.
Wow,
Simple, you
right.
know.
एंड यहाँ पर किसी ने पूछा है कि सर हाउ वर्स्ट सिचुएशन हैपेंस इवन व्हेन वी आर इन अ वेरी गुड फ्रीक्वेंसी.
Because of our subconscious mind, I'll tell you, I met with an accident. I I got my theory right. I was figuring out how did I attract it. Okay. So I had a subconscious, or in fact, I'm very vocal about it. That couple of years back, my wife said that okay, I'll gift you a surprise gift you a Harley Davidson sometime. So I said no, 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 I don't want a two wheeler in India because people are not safe in India. Okay, because even if it is not your fault, you can still meet with an accident.
राइट.
Okay, last three vacations we went outside India. I drove two-wheelers. It was fine. But this time when we went to Andamans, it just kept my head, right? And I was driving a two-wheeler there, and the road was empty. But there was some oil spilled there because of the rain. I could not see, and I met with an accident, right? So while I was traveling back, I was just going for the surgery. I got my answer. Ki Gagan, this happened because I have a subconscious belief that people are not safe in India driving two wheelers, and I don't want to drive that. Okay, I forgot. My subconscious mind did not forget it. So
करेक्ट.
even if I'm on a positive frequency, I had a event. It's an event. It's not something. It was problematic. It was stressful. But to answer that, why people on high frequency also go through this? Because there is something that you're avoiding.
करेक्ट.
There's something you're avoiding, and I keep mentioning this quote. The magic is in the work that you're avoiding. It's applicable for all of us. You know,
राइट.
the magic is in the work that you're avoiding. किसी को अगर famous content writer बनना है, आप कुछ avoid कर रहे हो. किसी को most amazing body चाहिए, आप कुछ avoid करो. किसी को बहुत सारा पैसा चाहिए, avoid करो. किसी को बहुत सारा प्यार चाहिए, आप कुछ तो avoid कर रहे हो जिसकी वजह से वो manifest नहीं हो पा रहा.
एंड हाउ वी कैन फाइंड आउट कि वो क्या ब्लॉकेज है जिसके कारण नहीं हो पा रहा है.
Look, that's where Drishti, I think that's where coaches come into picture, right?
राइट.
Because you can figure it out, but depend करता है कितना टाइम लग जाएगा. कई लोगों को पूरी जिंदगी निकल जाती
करेक्ट.
है, right? I was in depression 2014 to 2016. When the depression ended in 2016, then I realized I was in depression, you know, because outside were normal, right? I was going to office, I was doing 12 hours of work, I was meeting people, I was partying, I was doing things, but I was avoiding the work of working on myself, right? और देन आई रियलाइज मेरे जैसे कितने लोग होंगे जिनको पता ही नहीं है वो डिप्रेशन में है, राइट?
करेक्ट.
बिकॉज उनको सिम्टम्स ही नहीं पता है. आई हैड अ friend who had a breakup and he was smoking three packets of cigarette every day, right? For him it was relieving the stress, but it was a sign of depression. So
करेक्ट.
that's where coaches and consultants come into the picture,
राइट.
right? Because if you feel, it's not a taboo nowadays because ये life skills हैं किन्ने सिखाए नहीं हमें, right?
करेक्ट.
And as that conspiracy theory comes in, because the Britishers took away all our history and we could not notice it, and perhaps 200 years back, that was the ideal life routine, right? You used to wake up, yoga and meditation was part of life and in schooling, and mindfulness was a basic activity. So that's where you should seek help, right? And if people are if somebody doesn't want to seek help, just meditate as long as you can. You'll start getting answers for yourself,
ना. करेक्ट.
you know.
करेक्ट.
But that's not easy. I know that, being a coach myself, meditation is not easy. But as you get into it, you quieten your mind, so you will get results eventually.
करेक्ट. आई एंड लाइक यहाँ पे किसी ने पूछा कि हाउ टू ब्लेस द वाटर.
Okay. Very simple. Bless the water, as in, I think thank you is a good, simple, plain word. And in fact, just say thank you 5 times before you have a sip of water or 3 times.
Hmm.
The objective is to create that feeling of gratitude,
Right.
right? Right. So if you think, oh, this water is so nourishing, I'm so thankful I can have this water. You will feel that water, right?
Hmm.
है ना? बचपन में हमें किसी ने सिखाया था कि आप ना वेटर को थैंक यू बोलो, बट कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं समझाया हमें, है ना?
Correct.
कि अंकल ने आपको स्पून दिया, टिश्यू पेपर दिया, थैंक यू बोलो। हमने थैंक यू सिर्फ बोल दिया, हमने फील थोड़ा ना
Hmm.
किया।
Correct.
आई रियलाइज्ड इट एज आई नाउ आई रियलाइज्ड इट इन लास्ट 5 years कि बचपन से हम रोबोटिक चीजें कर रहे हैं, हमें पता नहीं
Hmm.
थैंक यू क्यों बोल रहा
Right.
है, राइट? सो by saying thank you to an example of waiter, first of all, we are getting food to somebody's table, right? वो हमारे लिए खाना ला रहे हैं, बट हमारी थैंक यू की वजह से उनकी जॉब चल रही है, they're
Hmm.
doing so much work in the background and they are able to take care of their own family, right?
Right.
So you have to realize that gratitude. तो water को bless करने के लिए say thank you 3 times as you have a sip of water and be in the present moment. Try करके देखो, जब सुबह उठ के पानी पीते हो ना, ऐसे अंदर जाता है, नारियल पानी पीते हो तो your intestine gives you a vibration, right? It gives you ki, thank you note in a way, because you feel good if you are having a nariyal pani
Right.
or a chamomile tea or a blue tea or whatever tea you have. So body and energy gives you that. So bless that water just by simply holding it. That's all.
Wow. That's very simple. It's like not just saying but feeling the feeling.
Yes,
कि
yes.
थैंक यू बोल रहे हो तो फील करके देखो।
Hmm.
वाओ। एंड लेट्स से सर कि किसी को पता ही नहीं कि मैनिफेस्टेशन की जर्नी स्टार्ट कैसे करनी है,
Hmm.
क्या करना है। सो फ्रॉम योर साइड, लाइक एक कोच की साइड से आप क्या बताना चाहोगे हाउ दे कैन स्टार्ट देयर जर्नी?
Look, starting the journey, I think different people are on different journeys, right? सब लोग अब ईयर एंड हो रहा है ना, सब फर्स्ट वीक में जाके आप अपने गोल्स लिखोगे, राइट? तो goals, first of all, I say should not be for next 12 months. Goals should be for your ideal life. And then you break down into what you want in 2025, 2026.
राइट।
आप year beginning resolution से कुछ नहीं होने वाला. Sorry to say that. If break somebody's heart. But first is knowing what do you actually want out of your life. और वो आंसर आपको साइलेंस में मिलेगा. So go to a मंदिर, gurdwara, church, wherever you can, or by a river side or a beach side. Sit there. Ask yourself, what do you want to do? What do you want to actually achieve? That's the
राइट।
starting point of manifestation, right?
हम्म। वाओ।
And and till the time you don't ask yourself that question, you will be living somebody else's life. उसके
हम्म।
बाद लुई विटॉन का बैग है, उसके बाद एप्पल का फोन है, उसके पास जी वैगन है, मेरे पास भी होनी चाहिए. यू हैव टू फाइंड योर ओन वाई, कि आप क्या चाह रहे हो लाइफ में. दैट्स वेयर द
राइट।
फर्स्ट स्टेप ऑफ मैनिफेस्टेशन इज, है ना?
राइट।
तब आपको पता चलेगा आप एक्चुअली मैनिफेस्टेशन चाहते भी हो कि नहीं.
हम्म। कि किसी और को देख के करना कि ये मेरे को भी चाहिए।
Absolutely. For example, I went to Switzerland, right? Because I saw DDLJ, I saw Yash Chopra's movie. But I went there, I did not like it.
हाँ।
Comparatively, जितना hype होता है ना कि oh, I'll go there. I was like,
हाँ।
yeah, this is beautiful, much organized, but this is not what I would have spent my money somewhere else also.
राइट।
Because I kept my goal basis, what I observed what other people were liking.
करेक्ट।
You know.
दिस हैपेंस अ लॉट।
राइट, हैपेंस था. मतलब आप जाते हो कि हमने बड़ा सुना है इस कैफे का नाम, एंड वी सॉ दैट फूड इज एवरेज, एंड वी सी गो बाय दैट, बट इट्स अबाउट एक्सप्लोरिंग योर ओन प्लेसेस. सिंपल.
राइट। 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 वाओ वाओ, दिस इज सिंपल टेक्निक टू स्टार्ट विद। एंड लाइक व्हाट आफ्टर दैट दे कैन डू, उसके बाद वो क्या कर सकते हैं विद अ माइंडसेट प्ले, जो हमें सबकॉन्शियसली थॉट्स को नोटिस करना है?
Look, I think that requires some structure around it, right? For example, I have a free law of attraction course also, 7 days course है, आप join कर सकते हैं बहुत सारे लोग. They can DM me if they want to join, just starting in end of December. But simplified ways, start putting your goals into pen and paper. You know, create a routine, an action plan for yourself. Okay, because law of attraction में ही लिखा हुआ है, attract plus action. It is not just about dreaming, it's about taking action also. And
राइट। राइट।
believe in the universe, you will meet people out of nowhere. You and I are connected. I don't know where do you live. You don't know where
Hmm.
do I live, but we're
Correct.
connected through energy, right?
Yeah, correct.
So universe
Definitely.
will connect you with energy with many of the people or opportunities around you.
Wow.
So first step is get clear on what do you want, start taking action, believe in the magic and appreciate that magic.
Right. Wow.
You know, it's just that I it's about basics always. You know, for example, आज हमारी society में ना something has happened and there is some water problem. Okay. And somebody did a mistake and the water is not being run for last 6 hours. So then I realized it's always about the basics, right? Because जब वो 6 घंटे पानी नहीं आ रहा ना, we are so irritated. You know,
Hmm.
everybody is in messages लगे हुए हैं, what is the problem and all that. But when once everything is going fine, we don't appreciate it.
Right.
So if you are grateful for what you already have, you know, you will you will notice हम कितनी सारी चीजें taking for granted लेते हैं.
Correct. Correct.
So
So correct.
yeah, so start feeling the gratitude where have you come. आपको 1 करोड़ कमाना होगी अच्छी बात है, बट अगर आप 1 लाख भी कमा रहे हो जो आपके लिए एक ड्रीम था 5 साल पहले हर मंथ का, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल
Right.
अप्रिशिएट दैट जर्नी.
Hmm. Correct.
That thank you
Right.
universe that I have reached my first goal and I'm ready to get to the next goal.
Wow.
Hmm.
Correct. That's very beautiful thing you said कि I think sometimes हम बहुत granted लेते हैं और वो झटके लगना जरूरी होता है कि समझ पाए कि क्या अच्छा हो रहा है हमारी लाइफ में, क्या अच्छा है हमारी लाइफ में.
Yeah, absolutely. And I also had this feeling couple of months back because जब तक health ठीक थी तो I was like very good. When there was a pause, then I realized, oh no, health is super important.
Hmm.
Simple. I have an injury, but पहले मुझे लग रहा था कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा. Once I am, for example, I can't walk and run right now, but then I realized that okay, there's so much I can do even sitting at home. I'm
Hmm.
grateful that उससे पहले मेरे को लग रहा था कुछ आगे नहीं बढ़ रहा है. टेड टॉक हुए भी 6 महीने हो गए, नया नहीं हो रहा कुछ. But
Hmm.
then you realize that okay, you're taking so many things for granted. Universe will
Correct.
teach you. Universe will keep guiding you, teaching you.
Always.
Yes.
Wow, wow. It will be last question from my side, but if
Hmm.
anyone wants to ask, they can ask कि हमारी जो ऑडियंस ये सुन रही है,
Hmm.
आपकी साइड से आप उन्हें क्या कुछ गाइडेंस देना चाहोगे, आपके वर्ड्स जो आप चाहोगे कि ये अप्लाई करना स्टार्ट करें और समथिंग यू वांट टू टेल देम.
Well, I have a lot to tell, but if in the context of the conversation that we are having, I think main message मैंने सबको वो दे दिया है. If you remember that, the magic is in the work that you're avoiding. Very simple. You know,
राइट.
this is this is simple, but अगर आप बैठ के सोचोगे तो आपको पता होगा अच्छा मैं क्या गलती कर रहा हूँ या कर रही हूँ. मुझे और क्या करना चाहिए. So the magic is in the work that you're avoiding. Somebody has to lose weight. You are you're not being disciplined enough. If somebody wants to manifest love, you are not being kind enough to yourself. You're not recognizing कि अपने आप को तुम कैसे damage कर रहे हो, right?
राइट.
And if you want to have a peaceful marriage or a good connection with spouse, check what are your triggers. you know are you being in the present moment or are you still angry for something that a spouse said to you 2 years back?
राइट.
Okay. So that ways you will start moving towards. So
वाओ.
be in the present moment, be grateful, write your goals, and experience the magic. It's always around us. Simple.
सो ट्रू. आई थिंक कि अभी आई वाज फीलिंग कुछ दिन पहले ही कि नो मैटर हाउ मेनी ट्रॉमा वी हैव, बट देयर इज ऑलवेज अ स्पेस ऑफ मैजिक. कुछ
Absolutely.
ना कुछ ऐसा होता है कि आपको लगता है कि ये तो कभी हो नहीं सकता था बट कैसे मेरे साथ मैजिकली हो गया.
Hmm.
सो ग्रेट. सो हियर वी हैव वन क्वेश्चन. Deepika is asking, I want clear face and look healthy. So what she can
I,
do?
I want clear face.
Clear face and look healthy.
Okay. Look healthy, नहीं feel healthy. You should focus on feeling healthy. You know, because looks का तो of course there's no end to it. The thin one wants to get plumpy. The plumpy
Hmm.
ones want to be having a zero, body. You know, have a good skin. It all starts with how you feeling inside. Because a skin is a reflection of what is inside. Right? आप
Correct.
रोल्स रॉयस में बैठना चाहते हो ना, है ना. हम खरीदते रोल्स रॉयस क्यों है, हम रोल्स रॉयस बाहर से देख के खरीदते हैं. But once you start driving it, it's always about the internal ambience. right?
Correct.
So if your internal ambience is good, start doing affirmations for your good skin. Start feeling that, nourish yourself accordingly. As I said, it's not just about affirmations, about visualization, also nourishing yourself.
Right.
Feel healthy. Focus should be on feeling healthy.
Wow.
And then it's a byproduct.
Correct. Wow. I think like the basic starts with being grateful for everything you have, being in the state of having abundance.
Yes.
Wow. Perfect. So yes, we are good to one more question we have. How to manifest job?
How to manifest job? Okay, that's a ये भी बहुत बार आता है question ये. How to manifest a job? First of all, I want to break a myth. There is no dream job. Okay, jobs are the drug that we are being given, to forget about our dreams. Okay, first of all, job is not a destination. It's a source of income. That's all. How to manifest a job? First of all, get clear about what kind of job you wanting. Okay, if your objective is मेरे को तो गूगल में जॉब चाहिए, ठीक है भाई, बट गूगल में भी तुमने लोगों के साथ काम करना है. If you get a toxic boss in Google, EY,
Mm,
or KPMG, you can get a toxic boss anywhere, right?
correct.
So the manifesting a job is simple, that you set an intention that this is the skills I have to offer in a job. This is how I will contribute to the job. You will get it. Till if you're thinking कि मुझे कितना पैसा मिलेगा, you're not attracting a job.
Hmm.
Okay. You have to think of what do I have to offer that will get me money into my bank account.
Right.
Okay. So manifesting a job, yes, you can do affirmations, but again, it's about self-concept.
Hmm.
You are a giver.
Right.
हमें लगता है कि हम टेकर हैं, हम रिसीवर हैं. हमें मंथ एंड पे सैलरी मिलेगी, हम रिसीवर रिसीवर है. नो, यू आर अ गिवर बिकॉज your value is for the time that you're giving, or the and what you bring onto the table. So first of all, go back to the drawing table, not just ऐसे ही कहीं से कॉपी पेस्ट करके रिज्यूम अपडेट मत करो. डू योर ओन स्वॉट एनालिसिस कि आपकी स्ट्रेंथ, वीकनेसेस, अपॉर्चुनिटीज, थ्रेट्स क्या हैं. हाउ डू यू वांट टू स्केल योरसेल्फ, बिकॉज उससे आपको कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा.
Wow. Correct.
You can manifest a job interview, but you cannot manifest clearing that interview without being confident about it.
Right. Correct.
you know हमें मंदिर तो जाना पड़ता है ना, मन्नत मांगी तो मंदिर जाना पड़ता है, राइट? You think that you are just thought about it, it will happen. So even if you're manifesting a job, you have to be smart enough to be answer in those interview questions.
Right.
If you are stupid enough, or you want to have the person on the other side not asking you smart questions, I believe you're already doomed. Because if you don't work with smart people, you will not grow.
Right.
You will manifest a job, but it's about working and manifesting the right kind of people and energy around us. But if you still
Right.
want job के लिए, DM me, I'll send you affirmations, I'll send you techniques. But I will give long-term solutions. I'll not gonna give you something just which is short-term.
Correct. I hope this will help. And if you need more help, just connect with Sir on the DM. They will definitely help you. And here we have one more question. Ki how to manifest to grow and become a millionaire. Like how to manifest abundance and money.
Okay. Start acting like a millionaire, first of all. Go and check your bank account, go and check the expenses you're making, go and keep control on your pain and pleasure points, right? What do you feel is painful today? For example, I see so many youngsters are in EMI trap, in a credit card trap, right?
Correct.
Because they want pleasure today, of buying that iPhone. Okay, may not
Correct.
be reference to somebody who's asking this question, but think like a millionaire, okay? And maybe watch some millionaire documentaries. What do they do? What is their lifestyle, right?
Right.
You would believe me, Drishti, tell me, have you seen any millionaire who is fat?
Badly.
You know, look at Bill Gates, right?
Yeah.
You always see him fit, right?
Yes.
And forget about Indian ones, right? Generally, but if you used to look at holistically, you see people on yacht, or people on casinos who are millionaires, you will always find them super fit.
Right.
They will be even working out on their yachts. They will be working out even on their vacations.
Right.
And it's about building that energy and connection around them. If you want to become a millionaire, yes, first of all, figure out what are your shortcomings. What are the challenges that you have in your own thought process. If for example you're earning 10 lakh rupees, you're not able to save 2 lakh rupees in your annual thing, maybe you have responsibilities. So there's something very wrong, first of all, right?
Correct.
So define your pain and pleasure. And millionaire is always thinking about 5 years ahead, 10 years ahead.
Right.
They're not thinking about buying an iPhone to impress others. Maybe
Correct.
सबने देखी होगी एक वीडियो जेफ बेजोस की है, when he became a millionaire. The guy was taking the interview और वो पुरानी होंडा कार में जा रहा था. Okay. And the interview ने सारे क्वेश्चन पूछ लिए, and he said, what's wrong with the Honda? He said, there's nothing wrong with it. It runs perfectly. It is a way of communicating from my home to my workplace. And he was a billionaire by then.
Right.
So sort out your priorities. Think like a millionaire. Act like a millionaire. Not like somebody else you want to pursue as life like.
Right.
Then
Correct.
the abundance gates will open.
Right. So it's like you have to start feeling before it really happens.
Absolutely. Absolutely. You have to start visualizing that. For example, 5 years back when I was starting my journey, I was like, I didn't have any investments, okay? Because I had a limiting belief, आप stock market में पैसा लगाओगे तो वो risky है, right? And maybe I was not disciplined enough. I was not saving. But then I said, Gagan, maybe if tomorrow I am on a yacht, okay? I am a millionaire and I'm with a millionaire friend. He says, Gagan, this is the opportunity. You have to spend $1 lakh there. So will I think कि यार मेरे पास तो $1 lakh नहीं है, or will I think, can I take this risk because I only have $1 lakh? So I'm not thinking like acting like a millionaire, right?
Right.
Because at times you have to, trust the energy around you also.
Right. Always. And I've heard a thing ki money always has intention of coming. Like you have to put out the intention ki why you want money.
Yes, yes. How are you going to contribute to the world, right? Simple.
Right. Wow.
Somebody, how are you going to contribute? For example, my objective of making money is that, I should be able to reach out to 100,000 people every single day. For which, of course, I need ad budget.
Right.
Of course, I need meditation centers. Of course, I need to go to different cities to do webinars and programs, right? And it won't happen for out of my pocket, right?
Correct. Correct.
I have to have that business model. If somebody says, "Sir, you charging if you want to do bhala of the world, you're charging X amount, which is high," because I have to get the thing going, right? I have a bigger goal.
Right. Right. So true. Amazing.
Okay.
I think this is going to help. And I'll bring the last question. Ki we have a lot, but let's go with the end this. How manifest about children's future?
Okay. I think that's the easiest one. That's the easiest one. First of all, you know, start feeding that, knowledge to your children. Start affirming as a parent. You can affirm on their behalf, right? Because you're giving them energy. आप रात को सुला रहे हो उनको तो affirmation करते करते सुलाओ, उनको अच्छी energy दो, right? And of course, the future can really depend on person to person, right? First of all, you need to be aligned upon what is success for you. You want your children to be part of rat race कि अच्छा बड़ा होके डॉक्टर बन जाए, इंजीनियर बन जाए. So of course, then this is not the right way of doing manifestations, right? The idea should be that you will see engineers, doctors, even IAS, IPS people not being happy in their life.
Correct.
So then whosoever is asking me, ma'am, I'm sure, you start giving them values of affirmation, positive thinking, and, start giving these values of manifestation and law of attraction, being grateful. If at this tender age they can understand the importance of being grateful and start meditating, doing yoga, they're sorted then. Simple.
Correct.
Don't complicate it too much.
Wow. Wow, thank you. Amazing. This is great. And I think Abhi recently parents put a lot of pressure on kids as well. कि
Hmm.
अच्छे मार्क्स लाओ, एकदम लाओ, तो उसमें भी जो स्ट्रेस क्रिएट होता है, व्हाट वुड यू से फॉर पेरेंट्स अबाउट दिस, कि वो जितना प्रेशर क्रिएट करते हैं अपने बच्चों के ऊपर?
I think the pressure is they're creating it on first of all themselves, and that comes with comparison,
हम्म।
right? जो हम भी बचपन से देखना चाहो, कहते हैं ना शर्मा जी का बेटा देखो क्या कर रहा है ना? उन वर्मा जी की बेटी कितनी आगे बढ़ गई. No, does not matter. Somebody will be still some steps ahead of you, you know.
करेक्ट।
So it is the pressure is our own identity. हम अपनी आइडेंटिटी पे प्रेशर ले रहे हैं और वो प्रेशर हम अपने बच्चे को पास ऑन कर रहे हैं. So the problem
करेक्ट।
is not the kid. The problem is you. The work, the magic is in the work that you're avoiding, to again sum it up with the same.
वाओ।
So start working on yourself. The problem is not your kid. The problem is something inside you.
वाओ, सो आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाई इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि यू वर्क ऑन योरसेल्फ, अपने इमोशन लेवल पर, अपने थॉट लेवल पे. द मोमेंट यू स्टार्ट वर्किंग, थिंग्स स्टार्ट हैपनिंग, द मैजिक स्टार्ट हैपनिंग टू यू मोर than it was actually happening for you.
Absolutely,
So
absolutely.
yes, thank you so much, sir, for
Thank you, Drishti.
and to the
It's been great conversation. Thank you. Great questions. But yes,
and to the audience कि अगर you want to start your own journey of law of attraction, सर का 7 days free law of attraction का कोर्स आ रहा है. This is starting at the end of December.
yeah,
Definitely DM sir and start your journey. Don't miss it out.
sure. Thank you, Drishti. It's lovely talking to you. Have a great, great weekend and keep manifesting. Thank you.
Thank you everyone for joining.